So hello everyone, as we can see here the question, there are basically two circles, right? And these two smaller circles are such that their radius is how much? 1 units. And in this question we have to find the radius of this, the larger circle. Okay, so we are given with the smaller circles whose radius is 1 units, and this is not to scale, so don't assume that this smaller circle and this bigger circle is, they have a different radius. Okay, please pardon my drawing. And yeah, so these two are the smaller circles and this one is the larger circle. Now before solving this, let's see what are the properties we can apply here, right? So if I take these 2 points, right, check this point, call this as point A, and check this point, call this as point B, right? And if this is O, the center, right? So we have seen in circle theorems the property of circles, if there is an external point and if you draw tangents, right, so the length of the tangents are equal. If this is x, this will also be x. So basically this property we have to apply over here in order to solve this. All right, so you can also give it a try and let me know in the comment section what is your approach. So I found this question in the test of Mathmaster quiz. So yeah, so let's begin now. So let's assume that this is capital R, okay, the radius, and till here it is 1 units, right, because this is radius. So we can say this is 1 units and this is also 1 unit, right? So can I say from here to here, if this is also radius, right, this thing is radius from here, let's say this is O dash, so from here to here this is also radius. So can I say from here to here this will be R minus 1, because this is 1, total is R, so this will be R minus 1. Similarly, if this is 1, total is R, this will be R minus 1. Are you getting this much? Okay, so now this distance from here to here, if I name this as C, okay, and this one as D, so DC and CB length will be equal. DC will be equal to CB, according to which property? The lengths of the equal tangents from an external point, right? So this is R minus 1, so DC will be equal to CB. All right, so can I say CB here is also R minus 1? All right, now basically let me draw this entire right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle that is given to us in the question, something sort of this, right? So we know that this total distance is how much? R. Okay, now C to B, this is O dash, this is B, this is R minus 1, and how much is this? This is the total, right, from O dash to O, and this is 1, so O dash to O will be how much? 1 plus 1 is basically 2, right, and this is minus 1, so this will become R plus 1. Are you getting it? This total is R, this is 1, so R plus 1 is O dash to O, so this is R plus 1. Now all I have to do is just find OB. So let's see, OB is how much? OB is equals to R, because A to O is how much? This is R minus 1 and this is 1. So R minus 1 plus 1 will be how much? This distance is how much? R, isn't it? We have to add them together. So B to O, how much we got? B to O, we got it as R. 1 plus R minus 1. Now we will add this. This distance is R. So what did we get over here? This total distance is 2R minus 1 from here to here. Alright, now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? 2R minus 1 whole square is equals to R square plus R plus 1 whole square. Alright. Okay, now opening the squares, we'll get 4R square minus 4R plus 1 equals to R square plus R square plus 2R plus 1. Okay, now this R square plus R square becomes 2R square plus 2R plus 1 minus 4R, 4R square. We can cancel out plus 1 and plus 1. Taking all the terms to left hand side, 4R square minus 2R square will give me 2R square. Minus 4R and this plus 2 will come to left hand side, it will become negative. So 6R equals to 0. I can take 2R common. So I'll get basically R minus 3 equals to 0. Now we know that we get R equals to 0 or R equals to 3. Clearly here R is not equal to 0. Therefore the solution is R equals to 3 units. So the radius of the largest circle will be 3 units. So I hope friends this concept is clear to you. If you have any other approach, do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.